tesono ebetoso he will put it on the line no one make sure say odi be too sad de na se na nkwankofa insunsuanso boni bia amre omei ebia na ore fisa asemi we ye no kremri nti no asem wa ye beka bia no ye de ho adanse ne be ma no wahu yetu mre a ye be kiresie ne wahu se no krenkwan ne woka nti hwe we mame na faka kai ho
prepared to put my presidency on the line on this matter. To say no, this we can't allow it to go on for our own common survival and the survival of those who are to come. We can't, if we allow it, we are jeopardizing our own future.
What is it say? Galamse for no say. Se passe me se me babe. Dimrano so on so. Na election na ebe. MPP for who become. Me dey hear me ni say me ye die Nyankopon aka kire me say e hia say me ba be ye. Anu na hear me.
Nje busuafo eyesa nsem dewe eno mampanyi akufu ado ka kire Ghana man. O se de Nyankopon aka kire no no eno no be ye. No de to illegal mine ase na ya boye nsuo ye nsase na yakwaye eho ban. Ye nyina ye nya ne mugidie. Ye bo ne chidom NDC MPP Ghana fo nyina se e mampanyi ye beta na chi na de ode asi nani so no watumi aye. Enam so atiefo se mo be kaya ahwefo aban no te Operation Vanguard eya sojafo ene ya ho bambo nyuma yeku a yekeka omubom so Operation Vanguard omonkwa abonte no munkutu illegal miners esosa de na eya wo mukura ne se small scale miners a omoye Ghana fo na Ghana mrama wo nkwan so omode omutumi ye small scale mining no eno so mampanyi akufu ado de ka ho bi e de tabo de friend ban eto ni nyina so. In implementing the ban on small-scale mining, any galamsey, Operation Vanguard for Miamia Bebri, almost small-scale miners in Fidie. Ye kum nipa bebri, ye say nipa bebri, a juma or moon Fidie, and a dear ma or money or mobusu and sacomano. Ebi anadia making be one dancer. Into a video ye, na he. Operation Vanguard for Jumedio Mudi and America Wasem and what answer.
Mama Quatafonium, Mama Quatafonium, that's me. Muyama Quatafonium, natural pipi. Muyama Quatafonium, a day. Ah, a day. This is me any day.
Moten and Kane, Eya Brantia, your friend Abdul Ibrahima. Obi anim no wakotia or your small scale miner or your legal business or on a concession e won enkrata onye galamsey ni and so the excavators in the name of ntokwa o mampanyi akufu adoka say okwatia illegal mining ti ye hye ni nyina ema se muhu e obi share mfunyu na eda nchen na e na me no ka say ye nua no onkati asefo ho biem ukọ akwatia de dodo na afre no ene woman ene onkati asefo ho biem enam ni mfidia ya hye no ne ho adwendwe ne ho amemnifia ena ode ato nananom ewo asamando na nya no nko small scale miners omoye legal businesses bebre ya hye omo mfidie eseye o madwuma nti se wo hwe infonyini ya production team ede ba beto afidie so a you will see evidence of small scale miners a omode o mampanyi akufu ado aban court for burning their excavators e ba to hwe we mame. It is a yes, a small scale miner sues government over burnt excavators. What kind of story now? Ghana Web. Everything is there. You can see it rolling on your screen. Even those who were doing legal small scale miners, for yes, omufidie, essay, omo excavators, omudie, juma momo nuedriane, ebo Nanya nonko say yemfidie nko ya hye nimpo akenya ya. Abusuafo ewi akire no aban we mu mpanyimfo e ka se ekwan mo befa so baku atia illegal mining ne se wa wo ye illegal mining bia no se yehu a ye bebo utuo ne yakun sa asem we Opinion pa wo Ghana Mrashe Bedwam, Deputy Speaker of Parliament, MPP Member of Parliament for Bekwai, Honorable Joe Osei-Wusu, the one friend Joe Wise, or no, and this shoot to kill order against small scale miners and galamseyers. Etu dwa wo Mrashe Bedwam. And also what dance ni hwema me.
For Joseph Osei-Wusu e boy mrane se Joe Wise no che na Joe Mrashe Bedwam ebra no mo ebobo eniema efa amramadwuma nam kwampa so ye galamsey ne ho en wo che senkrofobia so den dodoma so den pa se kahuru no omunti futewuru na omunti jai de omutia ne etuo anase aba edi kono de one kwan pa de ankobehye so bibiere beche ne se oye amramadwuma eye galamsey no yemfa etuo emmo no na ayesuade anase ade kyerede ama wono mudi akire.
I have made some very extreme suggestions. I know people are not happy with that, but regrettably, I don't have the authority. If I had, I would have made the law that if you find people on the water bodies, shoot them.
The Yura Joe Wise, Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Emma MPP, Ekaya no. So Ghana this year, omoye mining, emramo mo kwan so mutumi ye mining. Legal small scale miners and the galamsey for omodi emrane mo ho kwan no insese ye befa emra kwan so ne ye omodi insese ye befa emra kwan so ne ye kwatia adwuma yese mo nye no abusua yese shoot to kill ampampa operation Vanguard for and the galam stuff for execute this shoot to kill order do we hear that TV ne so a ubehu yase 4 galamseyers in mystery death kwaben Ghana de hye mrantie 9 ye bomu tuo bomu prepare omu ku omu eto omu galam omu small scale mining concession ya bisi ne yenhu omu di sa nyina bransam no ni nyina no was as a result of the shoot to kill order omampenyi Akufo-Addo ne nimpanyufo e de ye adwuma in the fight against galamsey na busua Ghana ni a small scale mining no. What the tabuato no so say even though some random man ho kwan ontumi nye. Galamsey ni usi wonyai. Obe yusu mra na wo de akwatia de omo ya wo se yenye no. Wa hye bi mfidie e bi afa ho awu. Wo se yemmo bitu nku omo ampampa yakum bi. Abusuafo se de aban ne ye nyina mpo no elidi tu bosha o mampenyi Akufo-Addo hye se no obeye. Obetu galamsey ase anka enye ye ya nanso edidi muano yehu adanse yehu video evidence ansantroni anasa remi ya wanas true ni galamsey fraud documentary e de ba bonte yehu se sa na we nyina ye frakadam sa na we nyina ye wudi o mampenyi Akufo-Addo ene na aba mu mpanyifo didi yen no more stop small scale mining ene galamsey se na be ya o money o mo party mpanyifo ebe take over the illegal mining business. Send ebe ya omoni omo party mpanyimfo ebe je small scale miners concessions no ma take over. And unti ya ban se ema small scale miners omo ye legal business enye adwuma no. Na omo ti fie omo ani atutu aka omo se bo omo hudi omo ye no. Ebi su, ebi wu, ebi yare no. Na aban mu mpanyimfo te se Charles Bisiu a wo ye MPP Regional Secretary e wo Western Region. Mampenyi Akufo-Addo doba pa waye no presidential staffer no sanso ye tretrefo ema interministerial committee a omo na ekwatia galamsey ye ne etua neka ye ne man allowances ye ne man per diem no anasa remi ya wanas the video ba ema ye hu se oni abrante ba kwa ye friend no Andy Owusu personal assistant to MPP regional chairman wa Asante Mantam chairman wuntumi omo ne aban mu mpanyifo eje adamudie sika kese bundles of money bribes efri abrofo ho ene MPP fo bi ho a omo de ya ma omo kwan se mo de mutimi koye illegal mining ma ne yeye but small scale miner ne de on tena fie no ne nabusuafo anu aduane mo omo video yi beto abonten be sinne omampenyi Akufo-Addo ntu ho na mo bia e bia na de meka no unhu da nti hwewe ma me na hu adanse a e wo de meka no.
We first met Andy, a connection man who would link us to the people at the top. He demanded for cash to do that transaction.
And I'm busy to go to school.
Would have been so busy the new man of the house.
Okay, say, members of my service, Oh, Andy sent me for we are different.
Different.
Very comfortable, say, and we are standing so got me some more business. But then, but over to be on a case of come business guy. That's when your lands is my. What they are running better now, they be there's your copy.
Andy charged money alleged to be for one Charles Bissell and for himself.
You know, cash. I'm good at Ash and Brown.
But I know the.
You guys did it. We have money.
BBA after racing, so you BBA now, my money 35 account.
950. And I'm
oh, tell you who know your account.
I'm okay.
Oh, who we are.
Okay, then
where the enemy no discuss here. Into the audio. Yes.
So bad.
But member,
Took us to meet Charles Bissell. Mr. Charles Bissell is secretary to the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining. We told Bissell our excavators were already on site working and we needed him to work on the documents while we were still mining. He took our documents and called for it to be fast-tracked for us.
Because we have to make sure you fast track with the say, but new year, and I know them are working centrally. All resources, what's the situation?
It hasn't come up yet. Let me quickly check.
Nti abusuafo asema meka ne ho adanse no we ye the Galamsey fraud documentary a yewura nasa remi ya wa nasa omampenya Kufuado wo position o ka so be use ne principle kwan ya ofa so ye na dwuma e de akoati akata asehye ne proye no ihwehwemu a wo ye de ehu ye no awudi a omampenya Kufuado penyimfo didi oman no wama small scale miners ejaye o madwuma omo ye legal business wahye o mfidie ebi afa ho awu wasai ni padwuma amomo hu de omonye na momo mpanyifo a yetu ya mokabo machi dom se de omampanye Kufuado waka so obekuatia Galamsey no monko saako no de amuye ni motwa mo ho na momo party fo de mo gisika kese se mo de concessions na yajeje afira manfo nsam no mutimi koso ekoye adwuma na abusuafo enya nonko se ye Ghana fo mpu na no mo ne yo ye se adwuma na nkenya ya de ya wo mu ne se ye se Ghana ni no nidi na no aduane mo no ya hye ne fidie be kwasi broni de ono wo dollars nti no abai mu mpanyufo age e de asojafo Operation Vanguard fo obo abrofo ho ban so mo nya Galamsey ense yensuo ense yakwaye ense yensase sa abrofo no ebi ni we see here.
How many do you need? As much as I can. What I can do is at most 3 concessions. There was one guy is my friend, but me myself I didn't use that. But he was telling me that he was working next to the forest. And the land is good. And me, I'm dreaming to go inside. That's to be honest with you. I cannot provide this security. This one, don't worry. I have my you have your connection. But me, nobody can catch me. To go for this one, I don't have anything. Even if me, when I was going here, Ghana passport. Oh, yeah, that's good. So I'm telling you, see, every time I'm with them. See, your connections. Yes. If somebody want to disturb you, also I will help you. You can help. Yes. Oh, fine. Ghana Environmental Protection Agency. How would you keep them in check? Just give me the boss number and don't worry. EPA boss number. Yes. You don't have connections there. No, I will let them come to the flag house. Don't worry about connection I have. I don't want the money, no problem. I have my very good connection. Nobody can disturb me. Yeah, I want to start again. Even now, I'm working on another forest.
Oh, okay. What forest is that? People Tinting. Okay. A nice place.
No, my partner is the one who was working there 3 years. You know everybody there.
Even I heard that some Chinese woman was even looking for the owners of our concession.
Yes. Also, she's my partner.
She's your partner.
That's why I'm telling you. Me and her we are going to work there. And if I'm there, I'm going to bring more than 10 excavators.
Nti abusuanfo ehho adanse no. Ghana ni de mani ni di. Small scale miner ya hye ni fidie. Small scale miner ya boni tu aku no. But kwasi bro ni de wusikanti. Omampanyi Akufo-Addo ne mpanyifo egisika ni free won ho. No mo de Operation Vanguard soldier fo abo mo ho ban. So mo nye illegal mining and say yinsuo ni ensase. Na bro ni ne kasa no, wote ye okan bibi. O se be potenten or concession bibiri wo ho. Na ne partner ye frɛ no Aisha Hwan. Ono ne Chinese ni ba wo Ghana ha ya tu ni din Galamsey Queen. Ye Galamsey die wu okromu ase yensuo ne yensase. Ye brobra yensa so ni mu no. Omampanyi Akufo-Addo ne nasoafo te se honorable ya wasafo afọ ka kire yense. China fo wo sika. Na omo be ma ye 2 billion bi am ya ye kwan undersign no hydro nti no. Ye nyan no nko ni krum no mfa ne ho ni because o ye China ni. Enso ye kun Ghana de hye. Ya hye bi mfidi am bi awu. De ya wasafo afọ kan ne bia na refi. Ye kaka ye ho ne ntitie we ma me.
They're the main company that is helping develop the infrastructure system in Ghana. Is Sino Hydro. It's a Chinese company. It's the one that's going to help process our bauxite and provide about $2 billion to us. So when there are these kind of arrangements, there are other things behind the scenes. Putting that lady in jail in Ghana is not going to solve your economic problems. It's not going to make you happy or me happy. That's not important. The most important thing that is being imported out of Ghana. So we must say it's not wrong. I'm saying that there are many other things beyond what you see in these markets. And everybody is wide awake. The most important thing is that we have planned this, we have established regulations, and we are protecting our environment. And that is far more important than one Chinese woman who has imported.
Abusianfo wankasa wachiame oni masem ko se na wasum a ye senior minister Ghana soafo nyina hye na se onye Omampanyi Akufo-Addo na ye adwuma wote de okan o se Aisha no ye China ni ba wa ye Galamsey wadi ewu wa se yensuo ya sase no ne man China fo omo bre ye sika me ya ye mpuntu nwumenti ye de ni tumu aye gede ye nyan no nko ni krum no mfa ne hundi nti be den na ne partner be ma no onkoso enye Galamsey onkoso ense yinsuo ni ensase dia ban mu mpanyufo ye nti Ghana ni dia ye monitu nku no Ghana ni dia ye nhye na fidie Ghana ni a wo ye legal mining no ye ma na no aduane mo no ba obro ni dia etimi ko ni krom we nyina ekoso ye gya ya brofo no na Ghana de hia ye so mo ye mining at the time of the ban no ye de omo akwa gina court am ye di bia akoto afiase to hwe TV no so a ye say 4 illegal miners jailed 16 years. They say Ghana ni akwa ye illegal mining onko da afiase 16 years me na mo ka so omo da so dem omo nye 4 pe bebre be Aisha Hwan de otinu krum na all enjoy the Galamsey sika say ni ye chechero man abusuanfo na we nyina course no enam adamudie kata hyehye ne proye a e course ntino Galamsey ku Omampanyi Akufo-Addo ka kire dede se okono amaso na ni nyina ye frakadam. There was no fight against Galamsey. It was all Sakawa, it was all 419 senebeya omo be take over man for concessions no mo dia ma omo party for enti ewo mo an ye te se omo ankasa ba bonten Minister for Environment and Science Honorable Frimpong Boateng a ono san so da interministerial committee a equity Galamsey ya no beka say omo ku ati Galamsey no Operation Vanguard for ne Galamsey for echi excavators nko 500 na excavators 500 na nya taban etu agira ni nyina no disappear ebusuafo wei enye samegyenfi me na meka enye bosirimka ehwa dance na da TV ne so no Frimpong Boateng was excavators seized from illegal miners have disappeared. Besides excavators, I want taban na tu agira 500 excavators. Adenya omo ankasa ban mu panyufo no omaton bi adi omo di biso ama party panyufo so omo fanya galamsey omo di biso rent abrofo so omo fanya galamsey eno nti so we screen so a you see police names 6 persons arrested over missing excavators ekwa we see na da ho no vice chairman Emma MPP Central Region Minister for Environment Frimpong Boateng nankasa na report on ma police saa ekwa we see oye MPP vice chairman e was Central Region ono no mampenya Kufuado pa ne se onka galam stop ho as auctioneer no ono na atonto excavators na di and am so ma police for koche producer say wo video na bo na tie for hwe time wa ye che ekwa we see vice chairman ma MPP was Central Region for stealing those 500 excavators. Se video
na wo chema wo say opanyi ekowusi operation Vanguard team no okan ho be enti sa excavators o mogegeye efi galamsey fo ni nyina eho no na chese ya ma no akwanya sanka onfansie se de be ya echei empanyifo behu anamo ombetu ede afa ho afedi osofo a wo hwe oboade ne pa bode mu nyansape ene mfididwuma ho nsem eso Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng si onyane nte yese afedi oru ekowusi asisa excavators ne niemen bia kosie baabi wa breko a ono osofo no kwa onim
na chese omo ankasa o omatwa omo ho ko yesi akwa wisi no ono na awia excavators no this is Frimpong Boateng ye de asem yikoma police bebo so me bensi ani na akosi sen ye jaye kwa wisi wafa ne ho adi ye de ne auctioneer license e de ama no na busuafo ye che akwa wisi no e no say eh mache me de a me nko a me mfole me nko a me nkofom meti mu nyina moto ama Ghana fo hu se me ne mo party mpanyufo nyina minister me ne wa excavators no ye tontun bi e di bi ma party mpanyufo te say ye general secretary John Boadu se o mo fa nko ye galamsey because party ehia sika san komodi a ana chinyegi a ana ntokwa e course between Ekwawusi and Professor Frimpong Boateng e wo no ankasa office no ye bebo bi a kiro ne wo hu se de ye ka no e ye no kulitudo
prof apostle bio me ba when me need John Boadu any aba with regards to yenye eduma emphasis can come apart.
Yes.
Wo prof ana wo mami authorization se me form team na me set at no me say man.
Yes.
Wa prof na osan ka chem say e ya team na me set me fa gizo na fa nka. Me yes sir.
But do you tell me so what is happening maybe?
Oh, prof.
We talk about the framework in part. You know say part of this but yes okay. Let's go to me now. You go to the concession. So go to me or concession. So you go there, inspect the place. That's from a team. But the kind of one can't tell say, what we I'm going to go for you and say, I don't know. But we talk about the framework.
One casa prana will see more of quarter. I brought back as area ho baby, these or mobile suggestions, area ho baby. And one way, me and Koyagma. One casa prana will see more so much as.
No, we're talking. No, John Boadu, if I'm away.
I never want to this case.
Tiabusian for mo ankasa mate minister mu a yetua ne ka MPP vice chairman o ka galam stop one yetua ne ka ye de me no mienu sika munkuntia galamsey ma hyehye nipa mfidi awie Ghana de hye makunkum bi awie excavators amoje ye no maton wadi abusian for excavators no moton ne bi producer e de beto TV ne so amama hu excavators mako 500 yesi agera bi sinne yehu bebi ewo omampenye Kufuado aka nani atom ena ye di oman na bro ena ye bo oman ne kro no ena ye hye oman ne sika for nothing abusuanfo de ni nyina akọ wie ne se kro no bo kata hyehye ne proye excavators wia gold wia no amantokwa na omampenye Kufuado ka so okọ atia galamsey no amana amaso na ni nyina ye saka wate se de medi kan kan no enti enne ensua in 2016 John Mahama Breso they say River Cobra River Pra a na ani ate wine no enne nsuo no aye yellow aye brown to say chocolate nti wo hwe TV so a River Cobra de da bankum no asa 20th February 2016 hwe se na nsuo na ni asi ate. This video we got it from UTV. Hwe de da unsa bankum no River Cobra asa 20th June 2017 hwe se na nsuo na asi aye poto all because of Galamsey. Producer will River Pra on fantoso na Ghana fo hu River Pra na NPP for say omo kwatia Galamsey aye ne wo mu. Ye hwe de ne aye. This is River Cobra for you. And we have pictures. This is River Pra. Umpo de mi ankasa me kokogina ho ye Galamsey. Na busuafo ekoye press conference. Na okohwe say na River Brim na say because of Galamsey. Say okohwe say na River Pra say because of Galamsey. Enye Galamsey agana fo ye o. Galamsey a MPP mpanyifo ye. Galamsey a abrofo ye. Ena madamu de ne bribe wa. Eni nsuo we na nipa no. Tie ne wo bekọ ho no. Yes, you are short to Shama, you are short to Western region. You are short to so many parts of the country because of Abrofoni MPP in Penyufua or Moyas Anyamawe. Or more Sioni Bienya Yare. If you Google it right now, we'll be skin diseases and a Yarea Omenya. Now, when you are Kosono, and a Bumuchichi fee in Suasia Babe catches or Denchemu. You are Kennedy Japan. Our Yamra Shebedreni, my MPP was in Central. MPP ni penyi pa no ane ba bonte beka excavators na ye hu bebie wo no Frempom Boateng a ye minister for environment ene ye kwa wisi na aton 25,000 titisika no 250 million per excavators enye sameje mfimi na mekan ye eye Kennedy Japan anu mu asem ne da ho no. This is Ghana Web. Frempom Boateng ekwa wisi sold each excavator for 25,000. Nti abusuafo na de wo ho no ne tofa bom nyina ne say there was no fight against Galamsey. It was all a fraud. It was all a sham. Na ni nyina ye nada. Yemfa ban bi mra na yemagi amount for legal small scale concessions in from nsem. Yemegimfa because your party here sika. And we have shown you the evidence. Opese wu how this so-called fight against Galamsey has turned out. O de NTS agency e bia me de obeka se me NDC ni ntimi nka no kra ne nkyerɛ ti omo ankasa mra hye bedwani member of parliament for Asen Central o ma penye Kufuado na damfo ne konna krana Kennedy akompreko Japan ne mu asem ni. This is his verdict on the so-called fight against Galamsey.
Oh, Galamsey. Galamsey, we have failed
as a government.
Yes, we have failed. I was said immediately, President, I respect you. I say go Galam stop. Na we yi soldier phone in your from say Vanguard. Oma ye papa say Vanguard. I say United Nations. Omo fighting Oma ko Vanguard operations. Why? E dey no mu nyanti e no mu fight.
This is Kennedy Japan's verdict, not Sammy Jemfi's verdict. And you won't go on okay. Produce our other videos no on fan so na tie fo ntie de omo ankasa mra hye bedwani MPP panyimpa eka.
I respect you, but me say I repeat, who has failed? I Galamsey fighting, and I have receipts to prove. Ekwawusi sika ono from what directs them. Someone called Ekwawusi and party people and what did you sika. Nanabi, do you? Nanabi, why are you talking about? Honorable, let me before me for what is one Kasa. Mr. Tisa be defended the one. I'm a fan, but I will do the honorable team. Nanabi, my challenger will come from I'm a decent. Honorable team.
You see what has happened. And yet, and painful be brings who come home. They should bow their head in shame, down their head in shame
from all across the ministry.
And your ministry and their MPP form painful. They should stay away. At dear President Kufuado Castle Benya, they say,
Ekufuado to say a dria is siwa any
Wow.
yes with the galamsey.
Oh.
Madam, I'm telling you, me from Ekufuado to what to say a dria is siwa any because ni rot. Galamsey, when it comes to Galamsey, Ekufuado ni a rot complete.
Serious.
Na momo tumi kwaji obi machines say onu de onidi now they are mauba please I dey ask na gosi one woman say ma be now you tell me
abusuafo tika kum yɛtene kwakuo num se bomu chitie efinsu ase be ka kyerɛ so ɔdanche mawua yɛni na kyinye areho asefem so man penya kufu ado timi hwɛ Ghana fo anim sɛ mede me presidency toso meko atia Galamsey legal small scale miners omo ye adwuma pa mrata akire no asɛ yo madwuma how many years 3 years wa hye omo mfidie uwie akire a gold a woje ya watonton adi eno na da won Kennedy ya Japan ono wa na ka say gold seized from anti-Galamsey operations vanishes omaton gold na di excavators omaton adi omo di bia ma omo general secretary ni party mpanyufo youth organizer say mon fan konko ye Galamsey because party nyesika na Ghana de share de nyesika so this should let obia know say bi enye say obi chiri omampanyi ana obi tan aban eye no kore no ne yeka ena moman ne ho donti so omampanyi Akufuado de ne mampanyi konwa na oteso no to saa ntokwa yi so de a ene ye wo so no wankasa tu ne ho ade based on this issue alone because we digana fu hamo wa faili obi beka so enyo mampanyi na netoto excavators no mo tonton ye omo ye saa nyema we nyina omo nye na soafo enyo no ne power mo Charles Bisu video we ba ye nyina enyo ne mampanyi Akufuado ne da so ye adwuma e wo ne office as presidential staffer de na ode aye Frimpong Boateng de na ode aye Charles Bisu de na ode aye Andy Awusu na mpanyifo se sebi opanyi ntena fie mesefo amfo ena opanyi na otena fie ma mofrawe nanka no yebu nankawefo a oka ho amamuo no omampanyi ne naso ne si ne tumi ena nasoafo nyina de adwuma ti se wo ma ho kwan e ma sa wudie we ne frakadam we katahyehyɛ ne proye we koso na wo sɛ o my Ghana yensuo ya kwaye ne nipa adwuma se ya then e wo sɛ Ghana fo e wo watiko enti e ha ena busuafo ye de yen kaka ye ho segment yi ebesi ti advert we ma me ye ba ya ye be di people's manifesto ne ho komo wo hu chefa e wo
aha you know the jobs we create over 2 million jobs it not be easy
yeah lies you create all these jobs so we there we still dey suffer no
massa you know hear of NAPCO
you pa what you dey try talk you dey set permanent job you say NAPCO
you see NAPCO be temporal you guys no think round proper the beneficiaries go lose their job can't join the unemployed soon
muff how that one go fit happen sef
even your NAPCO no John Mahama promise say he go fix am by making the beneficiaries permanent public sector workers
that be visionary
yes the visionary promises the big one Ejumapa and the Ejumapa 1 million permanent jobs with decent wages could be created over the next 4 years. That'll be 250,000 jobs per year.
Ejumapa, you do all.
Thank you.
That be too ambitious. How that one go fit happen, sir?
Thank you for the word so sweet. John Mahama projects say go stimulate the private sector, where it go give them incentives so say they go fit employ child people. He say medium-sized businesses no go pay corporate income tax for 2 years. Then income tax also it go reduce them from 25% to 15%. So say they go fit expand. Small businesses self no go pay corporate income tax, where it go reduce VAT by 5%. Hey, what's the freak me be saying? Youth startup business no go pay tax for 2 years.
If you can say it be easy, like it be easy, and we will not do it.
If no fit do, carry down your chair and go. Make your mama come, they can't show you. The policies is there, the Jumapa under, Oh. See, when the raw materials like cocoa, cashew, and gold, we go process them for the country inside. This go help create jobs for our people, where some go generate income, give the country. John Mahama, again, go scrap import duty where they commercial vehicles, then vehicles for industrial and agricultural purposes stop. You go fit.
Hey, set. But my guy,
What day inside give we away we want job for the government sector?
Oh, master, that won't be bonus. See, whether you want go police or soldier or prison or GES or local government or you don't get problem. You there inside.
Opana, what you see?
You don't get anything to.
Master, what did the Jumapa inside? For we will not get employable skills.
Oh, no worries, bro. The free TVET at the secondary and technical universities plus the National Apprenticeship Program will sort you out. Under the National Apprenticeship Program, you will get a chance to train in any craft of your choice for free, where you go get some allowance as you train.
Oh, what a wow!
Oh, yes, not only that, You will get free toolkits to set up your own business once you play it. Hey, I win this argument.
Hey, Ejumapa!
You do it!
You do it!
Hey!
Vote John Mahama and NDC for jobs and prosperity for all.
Buzianfo ebekọ so adam ase semaje bre wa chirichiri ne benche nyina na mo hwe yen munni mu bia yedwumadie entumi nwie peye that mu amohwe on Facebook mu amohwe on YouTube so yeda obi bia ase ye kai mo se no kremrini. This is the moment of truth. Dwumadie sonko a NDC amanyoku yede brew yede church nsem a ekoso wo ye mamu na wa hu de wasa woto abama no on 7 December na mamenka ensisudua se we a paid for program. NDC ya ni ababeto ye airtime ene ye dwumadie we nye UTV show and asami jenfi me host to amawomo. So it is a paid for NDC program. The ye ni hey bibia NDC amanyoku and ahhehye. Same one make nyina so no it doesn't represent in any way the views of UTV but the views of the National Democratic Congress. But the other woman say ni nyina ye no krensem wa ehote enya temdidie ye nso pa wo bia no krensem ebeboa Ghana and the abahase ye beka ho asem. Reading comments on your social media pages are a streaming program way life no. The do na ebisa ne say John Mahama alternative on the issue of mining and making and the same. Dear na ye be ye ne foforo. Abusuafo ye tietia. Ye John Dramani Mahama say te said ye wo cocoa board a ehwe cocoa so no. Samoye ne mmoa na nyame adom ofro mampenya konwa ne biemu a. Ode asoye a ye frɛ no gold board eba. Gold board e yadutwam. Gold board di na eba behwe mining so of all forms e wo ye man mu. Enu nti ye de em kase party hia sika na ye party mpenyufo ne abamu mpenyufo nyemo so. Ghana ni bia wo free gold mining area. Wo apply say wo per license e be ma concession ni bi. De hia ne say wo mine wo nsuom, de hia ne say wo mine wo yakwayem. Na wo be di mra ne so. Na mandatory training a ye de be ma wo kwan a ye fa so siesie asase after mining no. Land reclamation ye de santete ye na ma wo. Nti wo ye mining ne wo mra kwan so no na wo siesie asase no. Gold body say ye fidi excavator na wo hia ye mining wo mra kwan so a omo be ma wo bi. Wo mine no na wo tuaka. Say ye bosia na wo hia de ato mfidi a ye be ma wo bosia ne bi. Say ye mfidi a ye de hohoro nete na ye tu no a na watimi anya gold no dodo a John Mahama buying through the gold board and be ma all these miners be. Because you perceive creating jobs in the mining sector, but at the same time no ye mine responsibly say be ya yen say yensuo ya kwaye ene yen sase a odoman kuma nya me de ache yen na nye gold board nko a ye John Mahama o se ade yo waka say obi bia o mampanyi kufu ado atimode aben aje o mining concession afiri nsem oba o de wade be ma wo obi bia o excavators afiri nsa ye be hwehwe de ye be hu bia no ye de wade be ma wo nya make sure say atentrene be ye adwuma pere yo be ye adwuma Ghana for nananom atena konwa nyina be ye involve in the gold board mining activities ayedeba yen kase community mining ye wi a party mpenyufo age aboso because party yesika we will involve nananom atena konwa assembly members any Ghana this year Ghana mabuno amwo these areas na munyina mwanya mo chefa e wo mining mu na mo so monsa akoma no obi aniwa obesai obi adwuma. This is the alternative of President Mahama and the NDC as far as mining is concerned. Now, you can say you need to about the People's Manifesto. And they, eminenti yebeka nyema miensa pe. They kan yayare hwene ya pomudi ho ase. Ade da ye Papa John Mahama akoma so pa. Ebusua se wuni yayare hwe wuni apomudi a we mmobo. Enu nti na Yura John Dramani Mahama obedi akonwa from 2013 to 2016. Osisi asupitis bebre. They said Rage Hospital, University of Ghana Medical Center, Gais Municipal Hospital, Dodowa Hospital, Fomena Kumawu, Konongo, Tepa, all across the country, regional hospitals, Upper West, Upper East, teaching hospitals, quaternary hospitals, clinics, chip compounds, you know, because Odrin Ayare home. Now, the Maya Tosumi Nui, or so the Sheye be ba, or more pebble for I say, said me political producer Erika J. Mono, or more Kano, free primary health care. But media, Mekano free hospital. The children say, under the next NDC Mahama government, Ghana ni biya obeyare. So your ba, so your bema. So your koda, so your babunu, so your penimu, so your kokra, so your brewa. Eye ye funyare, eye tiare, eye typhoid, eye ulcer, eye pressure, eye hypertension, mujabroso, eye cancer, eye HIV, eye coronavirus, eye dien. Ye John Mahama say oko district hospital, oko polyclinic, oko clinic, oko chip compound, oko health center. Na bayin be ma doctor for ahwe free untuaka preba. Se wo health insurance scheme card o se wo ni biye misaw. Wo ye Ghana ni nko na wo voters ID card e chese wo ye Ghana ni, wo Ghana card. Ana wa dansie bi e chese wo ye Ghana ni a, ye behwe free untuahwe. Because ye pese Ghana ni bi etimi nya ayarhwe. In line with the UN Sustainable Development Goal of Health for All. Health insurance, no. Utu yesika ansana wenya card. Ukita card so I just say what yesika na what you renew afibia. And unti for 17 years you started use health insurance. Ghana for out of a population of 31 million, 11 million penny work card nibi. Opepepe bebre na ka no mo yare omonya den omungu. Yewra John Dramani Mahama so odwen obia ho. And unti or the free hospital ba na yare a wo be yare bia emfa ho ni nipa ko an wo ye Ghana ni banko a okọ hospital a ya hwe wo free de di kan no de to so mienu Yewra John Mahama say yare mienu bi di Ghana fo nya pa ba ko ne cancer ba ko ne kidney abusua se obi wo abusua mu na wo adamfo bi wo sa yare ni bia minim se wo bete de mekan ase because sa yare we ehun ayare hwe no ne bo eden ehun nuro no bo eden so obi nya bia to de bia je se watonton ne hun nyema nyina no wetimi ato aduro John Mahama so odwen wo ho Ghana sika Ghana japade ne yenche na obi nya so mfaso nti no ode Cancer and Kidney Disease Trust Fund eba wo sa yare we bi aban no ebe ma usika dia hwew ne wetimi ato nuro ne wenyina che enya no nko yehia more hospitals. You hear more clinics, more chip compounds. Because the nay abai baye, bosia bebrebo ma bo 140 billion e bin sida. Sika bebrebo menye bin sida 370 billion. One hospital promunti min siye. Despite promising one district, one hospital. Inti ene ye free bibi Nobel syndrome. Obeko hospital na akra keto ayare doctor ehwe so da form. Opemfo ayare ye boni mojan so da table so. John Mahama si ye hia more ayare sabia. Ono so de munim se mpuntu nwumawura osi adan Mahama waye bi da panyifo se de onim tuo na ne digina atoro no ano na de waye bi da no ne ye fe no aye bi afo oso oba district a woni district hospital bi obema district hospital baby a mu hia clinic bi aye de bema mo na district hospital so ya pejema ye regional hospital na ma ya yare hwe no egina brane busuanfo ye nka edusuan ho asem kakra esan se o man bi abekoso a egina edusuan so ye starting fra kesiem ne yem ranketuam ye nuanom wo mo osua pon public universities polytechnics ne yekeka ho no enche ne bibie school no mo beko school obusua ene Legon ne tech ne nursing training college of education school fees no enafo ene so COVID-19 aba magana fo awofo bebre nyuma aba fom amomusika sem ato ape nti John Dramani Mahama se ode nhyehyeye bi ba ye frɛ no chimpe ka chimpa sign no say ne ye chimpe 50-50 or say wow college of education oko nursing training oko polytechnic oko university say ye bia school na oko school na nyame adom Ghana fo aye John Mahama mwa no ne man panyinku a u school fees no obetua 50% efa na wo so wetua fa se ne be ya ahofo ho be henha omo na wo so wasu no adwo na watimi akọ school eno ne ye friend chimpe no eba for all tertiary students the atoso biem eye free SHS ho asem ye John Mahama say double track na ma ye mofre di sua ye traffic light no ha awofo boka wo classes fees ho dodo eno nti obey oba no waba be ye free ho de ye be ye ne say Ghana ni bia wo back up private secondary school ye be make sure say free SHS no also obenya wo chefa ti ye the private schools ni be ka ho ye de omo ka ho ne ye nya dabre e de asolve double track ye de omo ka ho ne ye save teacher fo ene adwumayefo ye adwuma in this private schools no ye bo omo adwuma ho ban because ya ma omo nkura ni bia schools ni begu amasafo ni nyina adwuma agu amomo no aduane aye na abomo so ye the private schools ni be ka free SHS ho ye wi a double track no ye free ho and also there ya bida we see anopa ne awia school shift system e jo ma ban ne atamils aban ne free ho se mo be kaya 2009 atamils be dia konwa jo ma bo na chidom as ne vice na ya increase secondary school from 3 years to 4 years o man penyu kufo ne MPP aban ya see classroom black kokra ye ba ye ne ama me double track ye see adan in 1 year etimi ma from 4 no enya ba bi tene suade so si ye kase ye be yi double track afiwa ye be ye afiwo free SHS no ye be toa so ahye mu kina ye ne ye na tinye gina brane atena ho afebo obi kase ye betwamu a na odada na nya no nko ye nuanom mo peso mo ye technical and vocational courses e secondary school almost be enjoy free secondary school na mo ko polytechnic so no free TVET o ko polytechnic na o ko ye technical and vocational course free TVET nti o so wa ko no free nti we ni yen hyehyɛ ya e fa disuansem student loan jo mahama se obetum student loan jo mahama se guarantors no obe ye free ho October 2016 they call 1600 aban we buy on fa ka prenka ho tua so kra won tua no brano ti ye betum ni a make sure say ye tua no brano e student loan na ye yi guarantor e wo se wunya obi ma ne di agina mu ma wansa na wanya loan ye free ho wo ye Ghana ni na wo school nko a wanya loan bi na de de kra wo mu ne say ye student loan plus eba a de kire say wunya admission wunya nkosua pon mu kra no wunya nkosuku kra no wo be hia sika tu admission fee wo be hia sika tu school fees say wo ba me ni bia anya fe na akobo wo busia bia wo be yusu wa admission letter na de agina mu age student loan ni bia tu school fees ni admission fee ansa kra no wa ko school nti adusua ho asem eso no na ye di be wie no ye be ka adwuma ho asem because they said the papa John Mahama ne NDC aka no ye maya kotodwegu form sadansa yem na ho brase mu yesre Ghana for so mo mayin fie 9 no de si ye wura John Mahama ni so pa ye adwuma ho asem ye adwuma na ye san hyehye no ene wato din se adwuma pa because oba be create nyuma mako minimum 1 million ama Ghana memwa ne mabawa Ghana fo nyina nya bia ye na ye adwuma pa because ye adwuma oba be ye no afebo kopem se obekọ ahomegiem ye adwuma ba be ye ne 3 years no akotena fie ti se napko ye adwuma ho akatua no ho te edimu na obetimi di abobra ye adwuma ye betua aka 700 Ghana enu ntini e free na adwuma pa no 1 million jobs na sa nwumen ye nuanom a mo pese musuansa no adwuma mo de ye ka ho bi Omampenyi Mahama den hyehye ya ye frɛ no National Apprenticeship Program oba wa wo pese osuansa no dwuma bia ban ne de obeto adwuma utini sa ban ne ne betua eye tire ye ade pam eye se ne si ye plastic TNG ye totals ye ya local board eye den ye de obeto adwuma matua utini sa usua adwuma no bosumi bia ne ye ma okakra wo de bedidi wo de bebo obra na wetimi atene ho asua de ne ye uwie so amfidi a wo hia sa wo de bebie wadwuma no Omampenyi Mahama ban de aka ho no wakobie wadwuma na wo so wafra amanfo obusu ampewe na apede ben that is National Apprenticeship Program for mo pensa no dwuma ye nuanom bi so epa ban dwuma na ye John Mahama aka se obey one fa ban dwuma ye for kra no obi create 200,000 public sector jobs enunti e bia wo police na wo pe John Mahama so obefa police for one fa kra no 35,020 say immigration and Ghana education service omo pay teaching BTFie menemo ka say 98,650 vacancies ye be fail Ghana health service nurse for physician assistants eni omo ka ho 76,795 analysis ayaye no amaye hu se kwan ye da ho no ye be fail sa gab no immigration for 3,522 prison service 7,925 and so many other agencies how can you nyina 200,000 jobs ya no ba ye omo fa police immigration ni asoja fo a yente ye mo hu dawuru kra wo nkowa mu yen ka no radio so omotena office number for mo party for nko a President Mahama say Obama Ghana fo nyina eno nti ye be mamu ada ho na Ghana ni ba bia e local government service na wo pe e Ghana education service na wo pe e police e soldier ya ma akwan mo akobi na de de wo muni obabunu bia wo be bia adwuma under the next NDC Mahama government or say amount 2-year tax holiday de kire ne say wo your babunu 15 years to 40 years na utiti wo mawremu a timi bia adwuma o mampanyi Mahama say emfie mienu na edikan no onye wo eto bia na watimi di sika na wura adwuma nim na ma adwuma na ginhini adwuma na ye kese na wo so afa foforo adwuma ebie mo so obetreni mabunu nko 1 million and then your friend 1 million coders program in wiasia belfo tentan na your friend IT no ya kire web development ya kire IT na wanya adwuma ye or the yet deposo ba youth entrepreneurs development program na say ye sika na wo pe ye mfidie na wo pe wo de wo nsa no adwuma da mfidie na wo pa ya ma mfidie ni bi ya ma bosia ni bi se fa ye adwuma ye nye wo nsi hu bia ankrankra adwuma ye wura Mahama say obey obetemo kaso ama mo wahen ha mo na mo di sika wura madwuma mu ama madwuma na ye kese enti ankrankra adwuma bi a wo fa nipa from 1 to 19 wo aban hyehyɛ ye kire sa afi bia wo mfa so a wanya no to your home corporate income tax 25% no John Mahama so de ache wo free se wo fa nipa bro 20% kwa o se obete so ama 25% to 15% VAT John Mahama se oba na wa ba bete so enye no nko a commercial car bia under the next NDC Mahama government o de ba Ghana say you 207 say you trotro say you turn bus VIP car ben commercial car o say no import duty. Se Togo mine kitikiti krempo etimi ayi free porter yeso ye the import duty on commercial cars be charge driver for na driver for madwuma akoso DVLA license renewal no ye bete so petrol no ye bete so na madwuma akoso ama Ghana for ho ahenha omo busua we ne nhyehyɛ ye pa ye ba be ye ne ye create nyuma ankrankra nyuma aban nyuma nsano nyuma mmabunu nyuma ye ba be ye mfidi nyuma bebre factories bebre ye be process ye cocoa 50% ye be process cashew you be processing bro, you be processing toast. Na itinya create dignifying, sustainable, permanent jobs for the people of this country. Eno ene ya tu edin ejumapa. Na di twatwo yenu ya no mabuso kai fo kokompefo. A o mampenye kufu ado. Se ama German fo VW fo mo yete freka no. Abaga na zo mo yete freka nti. O the tabwa to home use ne second hand cars so o ma bi magana biom. MPP for no mufiri so bi a shada so ntino and almost a Ghana ni we talk car from an onia ba just what to tear rubber brand new and nti omo pese second hand car beba biem na ya ye ni sika na busua car be na ye beto car sprayer for painters spare parts dealers magazine for madwuma ebegu because omampenye kufu adom pese home use car beba won hu se ye beto abenti no se mra no de tabo ato so wotwentwen so sa de na nya ye twa ni ti ye twam o betwentwen so ne to abama 7 December o de aba 9 December na ti John Mahama se ono de ompene toto ompene no se ye boa no no ba sa mra no obetwam na spare parts dealers mechanics sprayers driver for munyina madwuma akoso abusuan ha ne ye de ene ye nkomo ne besi ye de obi bia sese mo je mre e de mo fidie to ha na mutie ye wa chichiri ne bencheye dwumadie memende bia nwumre no so no kremre ye de bebrel ati said ye na ya ye ne no no krensem kwa ne ba beka enya atemdidie ye no kren kwa ne beka ya ne ato ye airtime enye UTV for ena ama ye mre na se wo so o pese o free se wo nhyehyɛ pa Ghana fo a wo so bra ne ye nyina ye meka na Ghana fo mu nim de chen ye no mo nkari mfa mu nsani ani no mu hu de odwen o my Ghana ho ti abusuafo ye be srese na wo twese nne memenda no nso wo de wa fidie ne beto a eno de ye be starting term ne ye nyamra kan wo messages ye de empanyimfo akuku dan bibiri beba ye pese ye surprise nti ye mo mudi nkyerɛw be de akuku dan bibiri beba next week ne ye din komo ya do so people's manifesto ni mu no wahu chefa ewom a teacher for nurse doctor health professionals a police for soldier for security personnel fire service for next week moda ye be din komo na mu nyina mahu mu hyehyɛ ya ewom tebusuafo ye disi no hwɛ advert we ma me 1 minute pe utwewia na kyese ya kramo a eno no onyame hyiram.
Guys, the thing will do all So give me 4 more. We could do more.
This be what they pour me. 4 more for what?
Must answer the guy. 4 more for what?
4 more to do more for you.
4 more to steal more excavators and our money.
Bisabio.
Or 4 more to kill Ghanaian businesses.
No.
4 more for family and friends.
4 more for neglected projects.
4 more for Sakawa and broken promises.
Opana, and now 4 more to borrow more with nothing to show.
No way.
Hello, 4 more for lawlessness, intolerance, and harassment of the media and the political opponent. I beg you.
You make a cry self. What happened to the murders of Ahmed Swali?
What about the members of the Delta Force where they attacked the court for Kumasi?
Where them also brutalized innocent citizens for hours who was Wogon. Even you the one that 4 more.
4 more for more corruption scandals like the PDS, Australian visa fraud scandal, Canada fraud scandal, then PPE, don't call me contract for sale by the incompetent clearing agents. 4 more to steal more.
No! Away! 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 Away!
Vote John Mahama and NDC for jobs and prosperity for all.